Hello! So I thought I would just make a simple tutorial for people who are maybe beginning to get into goth makeup or people who want to try something different with their makeup. This makeup's a really good starting point if you want to add things to it or make it a bit more toned down, just really whatever you prefer. It's just a simple but effective look and it doesn't take too much time and it's not super complicated. I hope you find this helpful, or even if you just enjoy watching people do their makeup, I hope you enjoy that as well. I will let you see how I do this makeup. This is the makeup palette I'm going to be using, but honestly any one you have works as long as you've got black or the colours you want to use. The way I start my makeup is quite rough. I just basically will just place eyeshadow where I want it to be and then start sweeping it to the inside to my nose. Then I start building the rough shape for the outer part, and then I choose where I want my wing to start, and I just roughly do that and then connect it to the rest of the eyeshadow. I then work on connecting it to the under part of my eye just to make it more dramatic. Here I'm just making minor adjustments just to my liking, nothing too major. And then again, just working on the bottom part of my eye. And that's the black outline roughly finished. Moving on to my other eye now, I do the same thing. I just roughly blob on some eyeshadow and sweep it to the inner corner. You can see the inner corner a bit better on this side. Here I'm working at the angle of the wing on the other eye to try and make it as even as possible. It doesn't always work out. I'm usually a bit off, but nobody's perfect. Here I'm doing the same thing, just connecting it to the under part of my eye. This side was giving me so much bother for some reason today. We all have bad makeup days, and unfortunately the time I decided to film it, it was not behaving. This next part is so simple. You just take your finger, dip it in some shimmery eyeshadow and just spread it on your eyelid. So easy, but so nice looking. Then I take my pinky to do my inner corner with the exact same shimmer. And then really simple, just mascara, just as much as you like. And you could also add fake eyelashes if you want a more dramatic look. And that's the eyes done. Moving on to eyebrows, this might not be so helpful to you if you actually have a lovely full set of eyebrows. I personally shave most of mine off, so I can do really thin eyebrows and different shapes. I actually use black eyeshadow for my eyebrows because I feel like it's easier for me, but you can use eyeliner if you want them to be a bit more bold, or if you can find black eyebrow products. I'm not entirely sure what they're called. For me, eyebrows are always very trial and error. They're very difficult to get the same, but yeah, I just keep at it and wipe bits off that I don't like and just keep trying. Then I'm just putting primer all over my skin. I say all over, but I don't put it on my forehead just because I have a fringe and I'm lazy. Might save me a little bit of product as well. I'm actually not sure if other people do this, but I personally use concealer all over my face because I find foundation to be a bit heavy for me. I don't have the best skin, I have acne and I have dry patches as well, so foundation can really just accentuate that, but I find that this concealer sort of conceals, as it should. Then I take the same shimmery colour I used on my eyelids and use it as a highlighter because it's white and I like it. I don't really blend it out on my nose, but if you prefer that, then absolutely feel free. I add it under my eyebrows. I'll add less or more depending how dramatic I want it. Moving on to lips, I just use a black liquid lipstick. Honestly, anyone will do. I don't really use any expensive makeup, I just find things that work. If you struggle with lipstick, I'd definitely recommend using a brush with either lipstick or lip liner. If you can find a black lip liner, that works great. And just lining your lips. Really just take your time. It's not a race, and lips can be really hard to get right. When I mess up, or if I just don't like the shape, I will just take my finger and just gently sort of wipe it away. You could leave your lips just fully black if that's what you want, but I like to add a second colour into the middle, just to give it some dimension, and you can switch up this colour to anything in the world. If you want a simple but really cool lip, you can also do just a black base and then take a shimmery eyeshadow on your finger and just put it on it because it looks amazing and it's so easy. I'm just blending out the lipstick with a brush here, and then I'm finished with the lips. Then I just put setting spray all over it to keep it in place, and of course fan it dry. And this is how it all looks together. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful or just entertaining to watch. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.